Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons.
My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons.
I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no.